Okay, so yeah. Hey everyone, it's me Priyal. Welcome back. So today, I just want to tell you that I'm your mentor of Kodular. What we're going to do? So today, I'll be just giving a short intro about Kodular and its components. Okay. So yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah. So hello everyone. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. First of all, let me share my screen. Okay. So I hope you all can see my screen. First of all, just click on this plus icon, then just search here Kodular, and then you will come on this website. Just click on it. Yeah. Now click on this create apps button. Okay, it's coming. Wait for some seconds. Okay. So see, first of all, you have to create your account, and after creating your account only, you will get this screen. So I've already created, and yeah, here you can see my screen is there. Now here you can see the option of create project. I hope you all can. So just you have to click on this button and name your app's name. Like I'm naming it as suppose introduction. Suppose. So you can name it as anything whatever you want. Now click on next button. Then here also you can just good configure your project by giving it theme and all those things. But yeah, I will change it later on. Like I'm making it as dark theme currently. Yeah. Package name is one. Cool. Now click on this finish icon. Okay. Now wait for some seconds. And I'm really sorry for the background noise that is coming. Okay. So yeah. I hope you all can see the screen now. Now see. Here you can see there is a mobile. Yeah. First of all, here you can see that there it is written screen one, isn't it? But I wanna remove it. I wanna remove it. Okay, so for that, just give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. So yeah, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused. So let me again share my screen. Yeah. I hope you all can see it. We were here, yeah. Now see. So here you can see there is an option of title. Okay, let me make it above. Yeah. Here you can see that there is an option of title. Yeah. So first of all, I can name the title like introduction, like that. Introduction app, suppose. Whatever you want, you can. Like see. Now here you can see the introduction app is clearly visible. Cool. So yeah, like this you can change your app's name too. Now next is title bar font typeface. So yeah, you can make it like I'm making font awesome, but yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, here you can see it is looking very small. Yeah. So what about serif? I'm making it as default only because I think default is more nice than any of these fonts. Okay. Now, yeah. Next is what? There is an option of open screen animation. So you can like decorate your app by this animation too. Like I'm making a slide vertical. Okay. Now, primary color you can change if you want for a title bar and status bar like that. And yeah, next is there is an option of icon. Like if you want to change your app's icon, then you can use it. Like I'm just uploading the image for my app, so you have to click on upload as this button. Then here you can choose any image for your app. Okay, like I'm making, suppose, just give me a minute. And yeah, actually today my neck is a little bit low, so please cooperate. Yeah, like I'm making, what should I do? What should I make? Yeah, suppose like this, Priyal's coding. If I open it, then here you can see it is uploaded. Now just simply tap on this cross button. Now here in the icon you can see my image. So when I will click on it, my icon will automatically generate it. Cool? Yeah. Now next is background image. You can change it. Like I'm making this only like this. Next is open screen, close screen animation. So you can do this like I'm making it a slide vertical. Okay. Yeah. Now see. Now let's come to the components. So here, just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, here you can see that there are many components. Yeah. So firstly, if you will click on it, then here you'll be getting a full. You can see a kind of playlist. Like here is an option of user interface. Then here you will be getting all the components. Like there is a button, a checkbox, a circular progress. Okay, I don't want it actually. Just give me a minute. Let me delete it. Yeah, for deleting any component, just click on this delete button. Click on this delete button and yeah, your component will automatically delete it. Now see, I'll be telling you all each of these components in detail. Now see, I hope you all are 110% familiar with the word button. Button you have seen in many apps, yeah. Now next is checkbox. I hope you all have played the quizzing app. Yeah. So there you can see the checkboxes are also there. Next is circular progress. See, in circular progress, I hope see you have seen this kind of thing in your mobile apps. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, I know you all have seen it. So it is known as circular progress. Let me delete it as I don't want it. Next is custom progress. So I hope you all have seen this also in your application mobile apps. Am I right? These buttons also. So these are known as custom progress. Next is what? Date picker. Yeah, just give me a minute. So actually, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused. Let me again do one thing. Yeah, hi. Good. Let me share my screen again. Yeah, not this. Okay. So I hope you all can see my screen now. Now see. So actually, we were here. Am I right? Yes. Now next is date picker. I hope you all have seen the apps where they ask you for a date of birth like that. So then they use date picker for it. Next is floating action button. Now it is a kind of a component which is helpful for your app. Okay, now next is image. I hope you all have seen images. You have seen images in your gallery as well as in the apps. Okay. Now see, images are just used for making your app more attractive and repulsive. Next is label. Labels are used to just type something which can't be changed. So these are known as labels. Now next is linear progress bar. I hope you all have seen like this icon in your apps. So at that time they use this linear progress bar. Next is notify. So notify I used to notify something like I hope you all have seen alarm clocks in your mobile phones or your laptops. They're like suppose let's take an example that you have set an alarm of 5:30 a.m. in morning. Then in 5:30 a.m. that alarm will pop out. It will notify you now that your alarm is in. They wake up like that. So there they use is notify. Next is radio button. It is also used in quizzing games. Yeah. Next is rating bar. So rating bars are used to rate some apps. Like I hope you all have seen in the Play Store, Google Play Store or App Store, where they ask you for the rating of the particular app. So there they use this rating bar. Next is slider. So slider are used to slide something. Snack bar. It is used to snack something. Next is spinner. The spinner is a kind of drop down which are used in maybe I hope you all have seen Google Forms. Yeah, there they use drop down also. Next is spotlight. So spotlight is a kind of torch. Next is state progress bar. So it is a kind of bar. Switch are used to like firstly like I put in the language as Hindi. Then I can switch it here and then I can switch to English also. So like that. Text box. I used to type something. Time picker. Like date picker, time picker is used to pick a certain time. Got it? Okay. So actually these are all about the user interface. Now let's come to layout. So layout, I hope you all have seen MIT App Inventor also. So it is same as of Kodular. It is little bit same, but yeah, it is not all same. It is just little bit same. Now layouts. Layouts are used to make your app systematically. Now next is media. Media. I hope you all have seen this audio picker, camcorder. Yeah, so these are all. Camera, exo player, image picker. So yeah, these are all about the media. This will all come in media. Next is drawing and animation. Ball, canvas, image editor, image sprite, Lofi. So yeah, these all will come in your drawing and animation. Now in maps also these will come marker and all. Sensors, social. So I hope you all have seen the apps where they ask you for your contact, like to send someone any message. Then they use this contact picker. Next is email picker. So email picker is used to pick a certain email. Next is phone call. So like if you want to call any of your friend or a family member, then you call them now by the means of phone call. And I'm really sorry for the sound it is coming. Next is push notification. So it is used to notify something. Like suppose your friend have sent you a message on WhatsApp. Then when you will see in your mobile, then a notification will pop out now. So that is known as push notification. Sharing is used to share someone with your app. Like if you want to share your app to your friend on WhatsApp, then you use the sharing method. Texting, it is used to text anyone, and it is greatly used in messenger kind of apps. Twitter, I hope you are familiar with this word Twitter. It is a kind of app, it is a kind of social media, a very popular app. Storage, here you can see it all. Utility also. Dynamic components, connectivity, and yeah, there are many. Google, monetization too. So there are many. Cool. Now see, next thing that I have to tell you all is here you can see that you can also add the screens. Like this is screen one. Yeah. Now if I want to add one more screen in it, then I will click on this add screen button. I will name the screen to suppose like I'm naming it to my name only, that is Priyal. Now I can click on create button. So here you can see a screen name Priyal is here. Cool. Now you can change it like you can design it whatever you want. Cool. Now, like suppose I want what I want. Yeah, like I want a label. Yeah, phone bowl. You can change the phone size. Like I'm making it to 29. Phone type is I love serif a lot, but yeah, you can't choose whatever you want. If you will put your height as fill pairing, then you can see your text will look like this. And if you want as width as fill pairing, then you can see it will look like this. But I don't want height as fill pairing. Cool. Now next is text for label one. So you can put the text like I'm naming I am real bump. Cool, like this. Now text alignment I can make like I'm making center visible, or you can also say the non-visible. Advanced properties are also there. Okay. So font type is you can also import a font type please. Yeah, so actually these are all. Now see here you can see the name is there I'm Priyal Bumb. Okay. Now like suppose just give me a minute. Yeah, let me again come on screen one. So this was screen one, yeah. And like I'm taking a button and I'm dropping it here. I'm making it with this full pen. Now image I can choose if I want. I'm not choosing here. Shape like I'm making it as rounded. Text like I'm making click me suppose. Click me like this. Cool. Now text color you can change. There is nothing in that. And yeah, background color also you can change if you want. Like I'm making it to what should I make? Pink. I think it's okay. And I'm making it as phone bold. Phone size I'm making like 30 or kind of that. Okay. Yeah. So now see what I want is if anyone will click on this click me button, then I want them to be redirected on the screen real. Cool, like that. And like I'm taking a one more button in real screen and I'm making phone size like 30 with this fill padding and the shape is like round rectangular or rounded whatever you want. I'm making rounded. Text like I'm making back. Okay, let me remove this text. Yeah. Text color like I'm making black again. I think black will look more nice. But I now want to change the background color to like let's take purple. Cool. No, not purple. Yellow. Yeah, now I think it's okay. Now see what I want is that if anyone will click on this button, just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, give me a minute. Let me refresh it. Yeah. So this was screen one. So what I want is that if anyone will click on this click me button, then I want them to be redirected on the screen prior. Then if anyone will click on this back button, then I want them to be redirected on the screen one. Cool. Now, but the question arises how to do that. For that, now we have to do coding. So like let's come to block section. Now in the blocks, like I want button one, so I will click on button one. I want that when anyone will click on button one, then I want them to be redirected on the screen one. Sorry, screen two. So just drag it and drop it here. Now let's come to text. And like screen name is Priyal. Suppose. Okay. Cool. Now, if I just want to duplicate it, okay. Now, I think it is too much time waste if I will do again. So I'm just duplicating it. You just have to like tap on the button, this whole button, and then you just have to do right click, and then you have to click on duplicate. Now I'm making okay. Yeah, just give me a minute. Okay, let me delete it actually. Yeah, so I'm deleting it. Let's come on Priyal screen. Yeah, so here I want to come on button 1. When button 1 click, do. So what I have to do, I have to come on control and open another screen. Text like this one, and like the text is screen 1, suppose. So it is like that. Now see, we have done the coding of the app, and now guys see, it is just a very simple app. But we will be making very amazing apps in our upcoming videos. Still, it's just an intro of Kodular, and yeah, about me. So today I've just created a very small project. So, but actually here you can see it's just very small lines of code. But in the upcoming videos, we'll be making very amazing and attractive apps. So like a YouTube app, your website app. So I will be creating many apps. So yeah, first of all, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon to get all notifications. Now, the question arises is how to test this app. How to test this app. For that, here you can see the option of test button. Yeah, when you click on test, here there is an option of connect to companion. Then here you can see that there is a QR code and the code is also there. But the question arises is why? Why I want this code? So I want this code to test my app. But I want to test it where? For that you have to download an app known as Kodular. Let me mention it. Give me a minute. Just let me mention it. Okay. Just give me a minute, guys. Wait for a minute. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So I hope you all can see in the screen now that you have to download Kodular app from Google Play Store or App Store, whatever you have. So now you have to download Kodular app to test your app. Then they will ask you for the option of connect to companion. Then you just have to scan the QR code which is in your screen that you will get when you will test your app. So then you just have to scan it or else you have to type the code that is given, and then you can see your app will be available in your mobile too, and you can see it. For you all, I'll be doing a live testing currently. Cool. Okay, now let me remove the sticker. Yeah. Uh, just give me a minute. And yeah, as you all know, today is the first session of Kodular. Yeah, it is the first session of Kodular. So that's why it's too amazing, and I hope you all have found it amazing too. Yes, cool. First of all, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And let me tell you, I have collaborated with this channel. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now, what I want to tell you, yeah. So don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can do learn coding. Yeah, and let me just do it. Give me a minute. Just wait for a minute or two. So actually, I'm really sorry for taking your extra time, but yeah, just give me a minute. Okay, let me on my camera. Yeah. So I hope now you all can see my screen. Here you can see there is an option of click me. If I will click on it, then you will be seeing that I'll be redirected on the screen. Yeah, that is the I am Priyal Bumb, and you can click on this back button and you can see that you are redirected here like this. So I hope you all have learned something new in this session. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get all notifications. So the people who are new to Kodular, let me tell you a single thing about that. What is Kodular? Yeah. So actually, Kodular, it is a free platform to let your ideas become Android apps. It is simple, beautiful, and powerful. Kodular is the best way to make apps with simple interface and simple code. There are so many components and options, and it is also beautiful material design. And yeah, let me tell you that assignment will be given at Discord. So if you have any queries and doubts or you would like to see something about our videos, we have a communication channel on Discord. So join our Discord server on the and the link of it is mentioned in description box. So please join that. And we are also on Google Classroom, so its link is also mentioned in description. Please see that. And for more such wonderful and amazing free courses, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. So see you all in our amazing video. Till that, take care and bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.